how do I post videos every single day? Now, before you say like, oh, Tommy's a robot, he doesn't have a life, he just spends all his time on YouTube, this is all he does. Okay. Before you say all this stuff, I'll tell you one thing, okay? Oh, or you might say, oh my gosh, he has like a whole team, like he has editors, producers, he has a person holding the camera, a person record. No, the answer is this. In short, I do all the work here on this channel myself every single day. But I will give you guys a little secret. I secretly went on vacation for around 11 days without recording a single video, and I uploaded videos every single day. So if you want to find out how does Tommy upload videos every single day, I'm going to give you guys the 3 steps that I take to upload videos every single day without having not to have a life. Because I still do everything I want to do and still upload videos every single day. Okay, so if you guys don't know me, my name is Tommy Bryson. I'm an accountant. I post videos every single day. I've been doing it for around like the past 200 plus days, I think. So subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. On top of that, hit the like button, really appreciate it. And I want to ask you guys a question. Comment down below and let me know, how long do you think it takes to post one video on YouTube? Comment down below. How long do you think it takes a video to post on YouTube from my channel, okay? Because one channel may be like 1 minute, one channel may be 20 hours, one channel may be like 3 months. It all depends. But for my channel, how long do you guys think it takes me to make one video, upload it, produce it, plan it, script it, all that fancy stuff? How long do you think it takes me to actually do this entire process for one video? Comment down below, let me know. Now, before I tell you guys exactly what these 3 steps are, I want to clarify one thing here. It's this, okay? I've always posted videos on YouTube daily, okay? It's always been daily. I used to do like daily vlogs, and by the way, I got a comment not so long ago that said like, hey Tommy, you have too much time on your hands, so you posted this every single day. The answer is no, it's not true. Here's why. When I was in college, I was full-time in college. I had 2 jobs, one at Gap and one at school. I had a girlfriend, 2-hour commute, and I also went to the gym, I think, but not every single day. But the point is, I've always been busy, but I always made time to post videos. By the way, back then, I did daily vlogs that took around, what is it, like 12 hours to make or 10 hours to make every single day and upload and all that fancy stuff. So, again, I've always posted daily, but I've never been an excuse not to post, depending, oh, I don't have any time. No, I've always done it no matter what. So, I've always been busy, but I've always made time for what I want to make time for. Is the big difference. Now, let's get into the practical ways that I actually post videos every single day on YouTube. Now, posting videos every single day on YouTube isn't just about posting. It's like super easy to do that, but it's more about managing your entire life in a way you can actually make everything work together to make sure you have a very good relationship with your subscribers and also people you actually love in your life, and actually be able to post every single day. So here we go, guys. The first thing I do out of the 3 steps is actually time management. Now, I know a ton of people out there say, Tommy, you know, if I were you, you know, you're like 22, you don't have a normal job anymore, you did an accounting degree, you have all this fancy stuff, but you don't have any bills like that, you don't have a kid, you don't have a crazy girlfriend. No, they say all these excuses, but in reality, everyone that I know, I don't know about you, but everyone I know has the same exact 24 hours in a day. But it all depends on what they do with those 24 hours. People say, no, I don't have time, I have a 9 to 5. No, I've had 2 jobs in the past. I still upload it daily. Oh, I go to school full time. I went to college while I had 2 jobs in the past. I still upload it daily. Oh, I have a girlfriend, I have to commute. I did all those things. I still upload it daily. There's no excuse whatsoever. It's all about what you want to invest your time in. That's all what it's about, okay? It's nothing magical about the entire thing. So, time management. Here's what I do, guys. I know for a fact that every single day I want to achieve 4 things, which is basically health, wealth, love, and happiness. So every single day I want to go to the gym. Every single day I want to post a video, work on my business. Every single day I want to work on my relationships with my friends, my family, my girlfriend, all that fancy stuff. And I also want to be happy, and happiness to me is an activity, so I only get happiness when I do those things that I have to do that make me the most happy, like making videos, talking to my friends and family, going to the gym, working on my health, eating healthy. All those things, that activity makes me happy. I had a feeling, not like magical stuff, not like being spiritual, no. Doing those things make me happy. That's how I do it, okay? So again, time management is the most important thing here, and it's all about deciding what you want to achieve that day and what is actually going to take to achieve those things that day, and how long is it going to take you to achieve each of those things. So for a fact, I know this. To achieve my goal of, for example, making it to the gym, that's going to take around 1 to 2 hours. And to make a video, I'm going to tell you later on how much it takes, but my family, my happiness, everything in my life takes around maybe like 2 to 3 hours a day. Not a big deal. My sleep, 8 hours a day. Getting ready, 30 minutes a day, you know? So it's all about minimizing your day, but focusing in on your overall goals. Just basically for me, uploading videos, eating healthy, going to the gym, spending time with my family. That's all I want to focus on. Nothing else, okay? That's what time management is. But by the way, if you have a full-time job, it might be different for you. But in reality, when I had my full-time job, it was basically, okay, I need money for work. So I would work this full-time job, but I would save a lot of money to build passive income on the side. But I would always make sure I spend time with my family, my girlfriend, my friends, upload my video every single day, make time for my business. I would always have time for everything, and it was all about making sure I audited my day, my full 24 hours, and I said like, hey, 8 hours for sleep, 2-hour commute, the class is 6 hours, 3 hours, my work is 8 hours or 4 hours, and my videos are like maybe like 8 hours to 12 hours back then. And that's how I would spend my time. Make sure how you can do this by this, okay? Take a paper. I don't have any paper here, I'm sorry. Take a paper or a book, for example, and just write down 24 hours. 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 24. And write down in blocks where your time goes into. So, for example, 8 hours for sleep, 8 hours at work, 2 hours commute. That's around, what, 18 hours? 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 2 is 18. You still have around 6 hours left. What are you doing with them, okay? Audit yourself every single day, and that way you'll know exactly where your time is going, and that's what I do. Now, number 2 is this, guys. Quality control. Now, you might be telling me, Tommy, what do you mean by this? Well, in reality, guys, you might already notice this, okay? But I only focus on quality things in my life. So, for example, I don't have, by the way, the only way to get quality is to go through quantity, because too many people just do like small things, but in reality you do big things to get the quality within those big things, okay? So what I mean is this, okay? I used to have maybe like 100 friends, okay, that I spoke to in college, Facebook, Instagram. I spoke to them all the time making jokes, but in reality that was all quantity based and not really quality based. So eventually when I started becoming the person I am today, where I'm making videos every day, where I'm working on my life every day, where I'm reading books every day, where I'm doing all this fancy stuff every day, people started dropping like flies. Because again, quality, you find it through the quantity. So when I started doing all these things, my friends just started like dropping off. We stopped talking. We just didn't have time for each other anymore because we weren't really pursuing the same thing. But the friends that just stuck around were only really 3 friends, okay? And I only really have 3 quality friends that I spend most of my time on, okay? So again, quality is very important because you want to make sure you're spending time on the things that make sense. And this is all about the 80-20 rule in reality, okay? Because again, you only need around 20% of your time to get 80% of all of your results, to be honest, okay? So, for example, I know for a fact that I don't need to be spending 16 hours on YouTube videos on a daily basis to get all the views in the world, okay? It doesn't work like that. Usually, you only have to spend around 20% of your time on those very specific activities that result in what you want to have. For example, you know, I know for a fact that I upload a video every single day on YouTube, but the main thing is this. I know that the uploads and the engagement with my audience is what drives up the views. So in reality, all I have to do is like upload videos and talk to you guys and respond to your comments and your questions. That gets more views, that gets the channel up there, and that grows the channel. But I don't have to spend like, oh my gosh, 16 hours on a video to edit it, put all this fancy stuff on it. No, that doesn't really make a big difference like that. So I focus in on the very important stuff. To me, it's all about quality. And if you haven't noticed, guys, read the book 80-20. By far my favorite book out today in 2019. So now that we know that time management is important, quality control is important, let's talk about the practical ways of how I actually upload a video every single day. Now, the first thing is this, guys. If you don't know this, I upload a video every single day, but each video takes around 1 to 3 years to actually make. Tommy, what do you mean by this? Well, the answer is this. In reality, each in every single one of my videos takes a lot of experience, a lot of failure, a lot of hectic stuff going on to actually get to this point. So for example, I've had to make over 300 videos this year, like 200 videos this year, and over maybe like 400 videos last year and the year before that, to actually get to this point to make this one video of how to upload videos every single day, because now you guys know that I upload videos every single day, and I'm not joking about it and I'm not lying about it. So imagine this, for example, Picasso, which was an artist back in the days, well, still today because he's very famous today also, but he would make a sketch. A very interesting story, by the way. He made a sketch in 20 minutes, and the lady told him, hey, can I buy that sketch from you? And he said, yeah, you can buy it. It'll cost you $20,000. And she said, no way. I saw you draw that thing in 20 minutes. Why would I pay you so much money? And he told her this, okay? Well, it took me 20 minutes to draw it, but it took me 20 years of experience to actually get to this point to draw this entire like little sketch here, okay? So he grabbed the entire paper, he scrambled it up, and he put it in his pocket. Because again, it's all about creating value, but to create value, it takes a lot of time. So my videos might take not so long to make, but the entire process to get to this point takes a ton of time and a ton of experience and a ton of learning to get to this point. And reading, by the way, I love reading, so it takes a lot of reading also to get to one of these videos, okay? Now, you're probably wondering, Tommy, I get that, but how? How do you actually make these videos every single day? What's the practical ways, okay? Well, step by step, what I do is this, guys. All my videos are planned, scripted, researched, and all that fancy stuff, then uploaded, and then like, you know, like descriptions, and then tags, and then, you know, end screens. Well, here's the process, okay? The first thing is this. I script all my videos, and I do the research. So while I'm doing the research, I'm scripting the video. So everything I'm saying here is like me saying it, but I have an entire thing behind here that shows me like, hey, talk about this, talk about that. And then that way, I'm not using a whole bunch of filler words like, hey, for example, and, oh, yeah. You know, I just don't use those filler words because I have a script back here to help me guide and actually help me formulate all my ideas together. So I don't have to be like, Usually, comes from not knowing what you're going to say next. And you don't know what you're going to say next when you're not planning your video. So, number one, scripting and research. That takes around 30 minutes to 2 hours to actually do, depending on the video. On top of that, to record the video, it takes between 20 to 40 minutes on average, sometimes even 15 minutes depending on the video, sometimes even 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, depending on the video, but usually it's between 20 to 40 minutes to actually say everything I put in the script and actually tell it to you guys in a very fancy way, like I'm doing right now. On top of that, we also have the editing. Everyone complains about the editing, okay? But when I was doing daily vlogs, it took me 10 hours to edit a video with all this fancy editing, but now editing takes me around 1 hour to 3 hours to actually do a video, like per video, not a big deal there. So it's not really that huge of a deal. On top of that, we have the thumbnails and also the uploading, and thumbnails take between like 10 to 30 minutes depending if I already have the idea or if I have to like make things up, or I have to do research on thumbnails. And uploading, description, end screen, tags, comments, making sure you're answering everything, well, that takes between, what is it, like 30 minutes, like the prep, so it's no big deal there either. So in reality, it only takes me around like 2.5 hours to 4 to 5 hours every single day to make one video. But here's where things get interesting, okay? Because I took an 11-day vacation. I left the country, see my family back in the DR for 11 days, and I didn't record a single video, and I still uploaded daily. Tell me, how did you do that? Well, the answer is this. Remember the thing I told you, 80-20 rule? Well, the 80-20 rule says 20% of what you do is actually responsible for 80% of the results you actually get. So I know for a fact that uploading videos are responsible for me getting the views and, you know, making the content. So what process actually gets me to that point? And it's all about the research, the script, and recording. Those three things right there get me the 80% of the results that I actually do. So here's what I did. I took 2 days to record 14 videos in 2 days. Literally, I just scripted them, recorded them, and put them on my hard drive or my entire like little SD card right here. And I put them in here. And when I got to DR, I took 1 to 2 days to edit all those videos, upload them, pre-make thumbnails, and pre-make everything. So literally, in 3 to 4 days, I had 14 videos ready just like that. So in reality, The entire thing here, guys, is planning, time management, quality, and knowing what you're gonna do by planning all your videos ahead of time. So I always have a ton of ideas from the comments down below, from my own head, and that's how I get to post all these videos on a daily basis. But it's all, again, based on planning. Here's one tip, guys. Whenever you hear a YouTuber saying like, hey, it takes me 16 hours to make a video, it might be true, because it used to take me like 12 hours to make a video also, but it just means that they're not doing something correctly, okay? That's all it is, honestly. And by the way, I don't want you to say, hey, Tommy, it's amazing how many you make all these videos. It's a part of your brand now. Like, this is what you're going to do for the rest of your life. The answer is no. No way. Eventually, I plan on having someone edit my videos, upload them for me, and do the entire description thing, okay? Because I don't want to deal with that. Because I know for a fact, all that matters is the research, the recording, and the scripting. That's it. Like, once I do that, somebody edits them and uploads them, that's it, okay? And all I have to do is, like, engage with you guys, talk to you guys, and comment back. Because, again, if I spent all my times on making the videos, then I wouldn't have time to actually talk to you guys, and that's all that matters. Because, again, imagine I made videos and I didn't reply to the comments. It would kind of suck, okay? It would be like, okay, this is super dry. Like, what's going on here? So I reply to all my comments, and that way I have a lot of time on my hands to reply, to make my videos. But eventually, I want to outsource all the editing. So comment down below and let me know, how much time did you guess that each video took? Did you get it correct? Did you get it wrong? Comment down below. Let me know. And as always, guys, remember this, right? It's all about putting your time where it matters the most, okay? It's not about 16 hours of work is incredible, but you don't have a life. No. I'd rather spend 4 hours a day on my videos, go to the gym, spend time with my family, my relationship, my girlfriend, eat good food, you know, have fun, watch a movie, do whatever I want to do, and still upload my quality, great content that took me a year or 3 years to make in 20-30 minutes, and I'm good to go. But I'm not going to spend 14 hours a day when I don't have to. It's just absurd, okay? It's just absurd. Well, I can't say that word. It's just crazy. I don't want to do that at all. And guys, as always, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. Really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also hit the bell so you get notified when I post a new video. On top of that, DM me on Instagram with any questions. By the way, if you're a YouTuber watching this video and you need help with planning and scripting, just DM me. I'll help you. No problem there. Again, my Instagram is Tommy Bryson. And also, click this video right here. It's on how to make money on YouTube. And also, click my face right here to subscribe to the channel right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And thanks for watching. And peace.